आज हम बात करेंगे किक बॉक्सिंग की. We are going to have some very strong kickboxing moves and we are going to have a lot of fun today. Let me welcome Ruchi as well as my other friend Sonam for this exercise routine. Let's begin with an excellent warm-up exercise to start the kickboxing routine and jog at your place. 10, 9, 8, 7. Yes! You're raising your heartbeat rate and you can slow down now. March. Slow. And we'll start with ab circles, releasing the ab muscles. On 3, 2, 1 and circles. 3, 4. Hit your sides nicely, stabilizing your muscles and losing all that obese fat that we have and making ourselves fit for life. This is real fitness, guys. These exercises are going to make you fit. And being fit is being fit every single day of your life. And 2 more. And stop. We'll start with leg raises. Watch me, they are alternate ones. And with the right leg. And up, back. 2, up. 3, 4, 5. Beginners can watch Ruchi, just see how she's moving. Follow your body. Not too much, too soon. If you've been exercising, follow Sonam. And 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's start with a jog. Raising your heartbeat rate. Hit it hard. Make yourself stronger. And 5, 4, 3. We start with a march. 3, 2, 1. Belly circles and side. Twist करेंगे अच्छे से. Sides के muscles को release करिए. This is real fitness. You're going to be fit for life. आराम से करिए. अपने पेस पे करिए. Last 2. Last 1. अब हम hand raises करेंगे. Alternate hand raises. Start with the right leg and up. 2, 3. Feel it in the abs and your legs. If you've just started exercising, then Ruchi is your friend. And if you've been exercising for a while, look at Sonam. Knees have to be straight. Do it आराम से. And last 2. And stop करेंगे. Let's begin with forward windmills. Watch me, आराम से करिए. Body को straight रखिए. Abs के muscles को strong बनाता है ये exercise along with working on your arms and shoulders. And 5, 4, 3, 2. अब हम back windmills करेंगे. Watch me. 3, 2, 1 and back. Very nice. Smooth. Beautiful. And 1 and stop. अपनी heartbeat rate को और बढ़ाते हैं. Cardio exercises करते हैं with rope jumps. Let's begin. And up. Newbies, look at Ruchi. And the ones who are experienced, look at Sonam. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Let's begin with jumping jacks now and up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. करते रहिए जितना आप कर सकते हैं. आप देख सकते हैं कि रुचि बहुत आराम से एक्सरसाइजेस कर रही है क्योंकि उसने नई नई एक्सरसाइज करनी शुरू करी है. And 5, 4, 3, 2 and stop. Let's begin with some strong kickboxing moves. On the right side, position and 1, 2, 3 and back. Watch me, it's simply a jab movement. Right, left, right and back. 2 more. 2 more. Last one. And change side. Position 3, 2, 1 and jab, jab, jab together. Jab, hit it hard. Hit it hard. Imagine it's someone that you don't like. and hit it hard for the last time. One more and stop. We start with hook movements. 3, 2, 1 and hooks. 2, 3. Breathe. Move your body, move your legs. If you're new to exercising, please follow Ruchi on my left side. If you've been exercising for a while, look at Sonam. The part that is impacted is this. So you'll have strong abs with good definition. Last 3, 2, full force movement. आराम से करिए, लेकिन अपने abs को जो exercise चाहिए वो ज़रूर दें. अगर आप new है exercises करने में, तो you can follow Ruchi. She's doing the simpler move where she's just moving her body a little bit. She's not moving her legs much, as you can see. अगर आप exercise करते आ रहे हैं, तो आप follow करिए सोनम को. The exercises that she's targeting are her ab muscles. These exercises help you get the definition that you need so badly. So let's continue with the exercise. And 3, hit it hard. 2, 1, and stop. Next move is forward kicks. So watch me. हाथ ऊपर रखिए and leg शुरू करेंगे right side and up. 2, 3, hit it hard. 4, and go on. 3 more. 2 more. Last one and stop. Next move is a back kick. सामने आ जाइए और kick back शुरू करिए. Right side, back. 3, 4, 5. You're getting an excellent leg workout. जोर से. And 3, 2, and 1. Oh, great job, girls. Let's start with side kicks now. Position and kick and stabilize with the other leg. Go on. It's making your legs strong and your abs stronger as well. 5. Hit hard. I never said this is going to be easy. And 7. Breathe. 9. And 10. Good job, girls. Start on the other side. Position and kick. 9, 8, 7, 6. Breathe. 5. Only 4 more. 3, 2, 1. Make sure that you consult a doctor before you start any exercise routine. Last 2. Back and stop. That was some amazing kickboxing. Now let me tell you also the facts that these kickboxing moves not only help you lose fat around the waist, stabilize your muscles as we've already discussed, it also helps you get rid of obesity. Let's start with a cool down process right now. Breathe in and breathe out. Stretch करिए बढ़िया से. एक और बारी. Breathe in and breathe out. टोस पे आ जाइए as you do that. अब हम ऊपर ले जाएंगे अपने हाथों को just like this and raise to your toes. One more time. Stretch your hands and legs. बहुत बढ़िया. Legs separate रखें and breathe in and breathe out करेंगे. Breathe in and breathe out. We'll do a little stretching move to the side. Spread your legs more. One hand down. The other one up. Stretch these muscles. Relax now. You've done all the hard work. Change side. The other side. Badhiya se. Try going as down as you go on this side. And relax. फिर से एक बारी breathe in. Breathe out. Last time. Breathe in. And breathe out.
Like, share, subscribe for more such informative videos.